Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fusion series. So today we'll be trying to create a project that connects Care for Brain's central message of mental health awareness with your Fusion knowledge. So today we'll be creating a fidget spinner. So the first step is to create a sketch on the bottom face, and we'll create an inner circle of 0.5 right here, and then we'll create a line that goes upwards 2 inches. There we go. And then a circle right here, 0.25, another 0.35. All right. Now what we'll do is create a line over here for the next circle. So we'll do another 2 inches right there, and we'll dimension it like this. And Fusion will automatically put the line between these two. Sorry, it will automatically put the dimension for the angle. We need to select two different lines that are at an angle to each other. So we want this to be 360 because we want this entire fidget spinner to be like divided evenly. So we'll do the entire circle, which is 360, divided by the three sections we have, and then we get 120. Okay, so now we'll make another circle. 0.25, 0.35. We'll do the same thing with the line right here, and then 0.2. Sorry, 2. And dimension this right here, 120. All right, make the circles. 0.25, 0.35. Okay, good. Now we'll make the divisions amongst the inner circle as well. So we'll do a line right here, and then we'll dimension it so that it is 60 degrees because that's 120 divided by 2, so 60. Do the same thing again, line here. And since this is like automatically between these two because the origin lines are going here, we can just leave it like that. And then one more right here, dimension it right there, 120 divided by 2, which is 60. All right, now I can create this circle which represents the inner arch of the fidget spinner. So a circle here, I guess right here is okay. Actually, no. Actually, let's do it like this. We'll put the circle out here like that, and we want the arch to be like that. So 0.35. That looks good. All right. Now what we'll do is we'll use one of our constraints, which is the hold on. Let's first divide it into 2. So drag it up and down like this, like that. And as you can see, whenever you're doing this, you can see like the line that goes down, the little construction line. So we can just do it like this, and we divide our circle into 2. Use the trim tool, press T, and now we can do the midpoint of this goes to there, and we'll make it coincident. It doesn't like this because, hold on, let's do it like this instead. Let's do the coincident first, and then let's do the midpoint like that. Hold on. Move it that, move this a little bit like that, and it looks okay. Now it should let us do it like this, right? Okay, and then coincident. Okay, so the reason why it wasn't working before is because when I had this arch drawn, it actually had a section of it that was intersecting this, and so Fusion couldn't calculate the midpoint and the tangent correctly. So let's repeat the process. So let's press T again. We can trim this, and let's use a circular pattern for this. So we can select our object, select the center point, and then there we go. Press OK. And as you can see, it should just copy the same constraints we put on the original. So we can check. We can put a midpoint here and then here, and then yeah, it already has the constraint applied, so we're good on that. So we can just leave that alone. And now we'll create the lines that connect the outer circles to the inner ones. So we'll go from here to here, Let's not put it to tangent right now. Let's just leave it like this. Just do this, like that, and then the same thing over here, like that. There we go. One more. Okay. Now we can apply the tangent. One there, right there, 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 and then there we go. Okay. Now we have our complete sketch of the fidget spinner. So now we can press finish sketch. Actually, no, I forgot one thing. You've got to create the center point for which the actual fidget spinner will spin. So let's do that real quick. Let's just create a 0.35 in the center. That looks good. And then press, there we go, enter, finish. Okay, now we're good. So let's extrude this. Let's extrude all this out. There we go. Okay, and now we can create this section as well. Okay, and let's make it go up 0.25. We can press new component. Let's bring back our sketch and let's do the center section. So press E. Okay, and I'll be using like a different tool for extrusion. That we'll use the two side option, and we'll go down. Let's say 0.05. That looks good. Oops, hold on. And I'll go up the extent of our thing, which is to here, and we'll do that plus 0.05. There we go. Okay, and as you can see now, our bottom section and our top section are both equally distant from their relative faces. So you can just make our sketch invisible now, and I need to make this a component. So let's go back to solid, and we just actually right click this and then just do this, create components from bodies, and then there we go. And now we can create our joint. So let's do that. Make our inside center thing. First of all, let's unground this. So let's just unground that real quick, and then ground the center section, and we can make this invisible. Press J for joint, go to the center, go down, bring back this, there we go, and there we go. Motion, revolute, and now we can see what our thing looks like. And also I forgot that section, so let's just fix that real quick. Let's go back to our original extrude. Let's just click that, and then yeah, okay, and now we can animate our joint, and there we go, it spins. And let's just like clean up this a little bit so that it looks a little bit nicer. So let's just click all our edges over here, all these edges, one more right here, and let's just bring this in a little bit. Oh, I selected the faces. Let's try that again. Fill it right here, right here, right here, there, there, and there. And I believe the maximum it can go in is 0.1. Let's just leave it like that. That looks fine to me. All right, that's okay. And let's also just smoothen out our rotating section. So let's just press fillet right here, and then there we go. And let's just make sure, yep, it's still flush with the hole, and press OK. And as you can see, our fidget spinner is created. So that's gonna basically just be it for our engineering unit. We've went over all the Fusion basics. Feel free to go back to the previous videos if you feel like you need to learn something again. And there'll be one more project in this unit, and you can just basically be submitting what you've learned and just submitting a project that you created yourself. That's basically gonna summarize these videos. Thanks you guys for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye.